I am VSS Shastri. I am from Kolar. Today I am talking to you regarding mathematical toys. Mathematical toys are something new. You must have heard about science toys. Science toys are in vogue since 20 to 25 years. There are pioneers in India like Dr. Aravind Gupta who have done lot of work through science toys. In fact, they teach the science through the toys, folk toys, etc. Mathematical toys are something new. I designed these mathematical toys for Dr. H.N. Science Center in Hosur, Gauribidanur. Dr. H.N. Science Center is headed by Dr. K.P.J. Reddy, an aeronautical scientist from Indian Institute of Science. They got funding from KSCST, that is Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology, for this project. I designed 25 mathematical toys for them. They got it done through bamboo. Lot of ecological concerns like biodegradability and also something associated with the green, etc. went into the thought of making these things in bamboo. But I did not do the toys in bamboo. I did the toys in the materials which were at hand to me. That is the cardboard, the paper, and to some extent the foam board. Today I am speaking to you regarding these toys. And why these toys? Through my journeys in India, about 850 workshops I have done throughout India, I could notice the disinterest of people, especially the young people, the children, towards mathematics. So once they are not interested in mathematics, it is very hard for them to pick it up at a later date. But what interests the young people? Now in the so-called WhatsApp generation, their attention is very low. They have that attention deficit. But the toys as such, they draw attention to some extent. So why not put mathematical facts into the toys? So with this thought in mind, I listed about 20 concepts or 25 concepts which can be termed as hotspots. So I'll identify a kind of a hotspot which is hard for the children to engage with, then convert them into a toy, and after playing with it, if they are curious, they will come to know the mathematical fact. So this is my approach. So I will take you a journey in which you will also come to know the 25 mathematical toys which I have done. Multiplication of science is a very hard nut. People get confused. So this kind of a multiplication of science is just mugged up. So this is a kind of a hot spot. I identified it and wanted to do something about it into a toy. So I had to get these kind of a facts in one kind of a toy, and which has to be dynamic enough to allow the students or the children to play. So I designed the toy like this. So I made the symbols equally in two pieces and made these values +1, -1, -1 and also +1, -1 and also +1, and try to arrange it in a pattern so that people can just play and then understand the rules. My approach is very simple. Identify the hard spot, then convert it into a kind of a play or some kind of a toy, and after playing with that, if the children wants to know, it should give the mathematical fact. Let us see how it works. This is a toy beautifully placed in a box. It contains these elements. This is -1 into -1 equal to +1. So everybody knows this kind of a formulae, the multiplication of signs. So let us see what happens here. So here there are two symbols, equal to symbol and as well as multiplication symbol. Three numbers, -1, -1 and also plus 1. It is mathematically correct. Now the thing is this, how to play with this. So we can have to take always two, either the numbers or the symbols. If we were to take symbols, both we have to consider. Both we can exchange like this, or we can make it ulta like this. If we have to do this, we have to also do this. Similar is the rule for these values. Now let us say -1 into -1 is equal to +1. Let me see that I will exchange this. I will keep it here, keep it here. +1 into -1 equal to -1. Mathematically it is correct. Let us say I will make it ulta. Then I have to make another one. So let us make this. Mathematically it is correct. Let us say I will make it this and also this. Now also it is correct. Let us replace it. Mathematically also this is correct. So let us say I will make this ulta. I will make this ulta. Even then mathematically this is correct. So you can go on exchanging like this, or making ulta like this. You have to make, but always you have to make 2, or you can make like this and like this. So it doesn't give you any proof of why these signs work, but this is a toy which can be done, exchanged as many places you want, but you have to do only in pairs. So this is a toy. You have seen the bamboo version of -1 into -1 equal to +1 toy, but actually I designed it like this. So there are 2 cats and also 3 mouses. So the mice, they just play like this. In fact the cats also can be shifted, but always in pairs you have to do. So this also you can turn, then simultaneously you have to turn the another. The mathematical rules are the same. I did it like this, but in bamboo they could not do all the kind of fixtures of mice and as well as the cats. But this looks better, isn't it? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is the first identity children learn. In fact, it just exasperating for them to know that what does this a plus b whole square do in their lives. Many people have asked me where this a plus b whole square can be applied. Usually in the textbooks this is the drawing you get. So this kind of a drawing expresses that in one square how this is a square, b square, ab and ab, which is in fact a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now how to convert it into a toy? So a toy is the one which people have to just play with. And if this kind of a picture is already, because the picture is already given to them, so something I have to do about it, and also I have to answer them where this kind of a plus b whole square is used. So all these things were there with me when I designed this kind of a toy called a plus b whole square. These are the trays. In fact it looks like a masala box. So this is actually a plus b whole square. This is a square, b square, ab and also ab. Not only that, something else you can do with this. So it also forms into a picture puzzle. But actually it is the same. If this is a square, if this is b square, this is ab and this is ab. So in upteen classrooms, this kind of a drawing, as I told you, also exists. It is the same. But there is something more to it. So let us say what can be done. This is AB and AB. This is B square. This is A square. It is in the abstract form. It looks like Gautam Buddha. So this is A square, B square, AB and AB. So A plus B whole square is actually represents this Gautam Buddha.